Guys, welcome back. So we got a new Gojo hand sign, like for his domain, and it's like an upside down, like infinity sort of thing. It's cool. I can't do it. Anyway, it's new JJK art, and let's draw it. So I'm on a landscape page, but like the drawing will probably stop in here somewhere because it's like the picture ends. So like portrait would work pretty well as well. So let us try to do this justice. I'm going to start with his eyes. We're just center point to my page about here. We'll go up just above halfway, and I'll just start with Gojo's top eyelid line. So it just curves across like that. And then we'll bring it down that way. And then the bottom eyelid line just curving around here. So of course Gojo has eyelashes on the top, real big eyelashes. So we'll go down into there for those purple eyelashes. And they do, so like along the bottom, you know, they have like little eyelash lines just there as well. Not as big as the top though. So those big blue eyes, so we do a large circle coming down from the top eyelid line. Boop, like so. And we give him his pupil in the middle. And like maybe some just lines coming around the iris, the color part of his eye. So don't give him eyelid lines, but I will give him eyelid lines just coming across the top here. And then an eyebrow, just a check mark going this way. Goes like up and curves down. And you want to add a space that you can color purple as well, so like a bit of fur at the top, and just like that. It might give him texture, I'm not sure. It's a manga drawing, so it's slightly different to the anime. And then his nose comes down that way. It's like another line in there. Then we'll go over and do the other eye. So measure that, come over that distance, same shape again. So you can fit an eye in between his two eyes. Okay. And then we'll go up and over. Like that. And then it spikes down. And then we got the curve around on the bottom. And then we'll add spiky eyelashes. And they put some on the bottom as well. Just some dashes coming around. And then we got that big blue eye. Put his pupil. As centered as we can. You could do that lines around the color part of his eye. And then we'll go with an eyelid line just above. And then the eyebrow again. Check mark. Then a bit of a pink area. And then just a line for like his nose. So mouth and everything is covered by this new domain sign, right? But we can see his nostrils. So we'll go like this style. So a long line there, maybe like a little sort of nostril line like that. That's my touch, that's not in the original. And then a smaller one on this side. And then his hand, like his mouth is like, you know, it's just a line like here real small. Like you can't see it because the fingers come over. But you could do that after you do the hands because it's probably easier. So we get those hands in now. So we'll go bumping for the top of his knuckles here. To it's unusual. Why does he do that? Yeah, this one seems to come out further. So this one comes out like further past there. Then the index finger goes down, but we'll do the 3 on this side as well. So we'll go 1, 2, and this one's kind of just normal there. So then the back of the hand just bumps this way. All these bumpy skin folds. And then the wrist will go like, it'll stop about there. So like the image doesn't go the whole way. And the bottom part of his wrist is about here. So we'll just bring this down to like his thumb now down here. So this is like the palm of the hand, you know, the sort of round section of his hand. His wrist going that way. So it's like a thumbs down kind of thing here. So just thumb coming around. And maybe I'll do this side before I start adding fingers. We'll just try and get it balanced. We'll do the same thing. Top of the hand. Like his wrist and stuff here. Going off the page. And then this side, that way. Then you get this double bump, you know, on the palm of his hand. Wrist bones and all that kind of stuff. Then we do thumbs down. So it comes down this way. Okay, so we can see this index finger goes down to the thumb. This is what makes this like infinity symbol, right? So we get like his index finger bumping, 3 sort of bumps, touches the thumb, and then comes back around 1, 2, 3, sort of this way. And of course, index finger joins the thumb with this sort of piece of skin here. That's why it's a posable thumb. And then the other index finger goes like in behind, so it goes like this way. Touches that, so then you have this like figure 8 thing going on. It's very cool, actually. And we got like some skin lines and folds and stuff on the fingers, you know, just to make them look a bit curved. And then we have the 3 fingers on each side that come in. So up here we got like the pinky. starting, and then you have like the ring finger, then the middle finger, and then each of these just kind of comes back this way. So that's that one, and then there, and then the last one. Then we got fingernails. And then, like, you know, sort of knuckle lines. Do 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 do. And then, so you can't, these ones are curved over more, it seems like. So the pinky, say, is much smaller than the other side. So bumps here, you can't see his fingernails. They're like bent over too. But you can't see the fingernail on this one, which is interesting. This is a full finger. There, and then you get like the fingernail. And then there's some lines just on the hand. Okay, now we got to fill in the gaps. So we'll finish his mouth. So just coming across here, that's like his bottom lip. And then we have side of his face. There, either side. Just above this, we have a V for his sideburn. Can't see it on this side because he's longer hair. And then we'll do an ear then, coming out from the V. Like so. The other ear, so we've got like long pieces of hair. So like long bits of hair there, and then his ear comes out. Then his hairline across the top. We have a cluster of spikes just going across here. Then along this way, his hairline just goes down to his sideburn then. And then it comes across the side. And then all the hair that goes around. So just goes up off the page, just with hair spikes, standard anime sort of hair spikes. Okay, and then do this side. And then clothing. So he's got that white and black thing on. That sort of white and black hoodie. Sort of comes around here. Might see a bit of his neck in there. But it's not a hoodie. It's like traditional sort of clothing. Let me go this way for his shoulder. Goes off the page somewhere there. And then the white coming down behind his thumbs. And we nearly forgot his chin, actually. His chin is like here. There might be some lines for that hood or something in there. Or his collar, should I say. Just some extra clothing lines there. Okay, Gojo, new domain sign from JJK. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.